Do you want to make $4,000 per month with Google with 100% free method? And also, do you want to make $4,000 with Google while sleeping on your bed? So if you want to make money with Google, then make sure to keep watching this full video because this is going to be epic for you. So now I will be sharing with you the step-by-step method on how to make money with Google. And if you are going to stay with this video till the end, then I will also share with you how to make money with Google while sleeping, and also how to go from $4,000 a month to $6,000 a month and beyond. Okay, so now what is the step? But before we are going to any steps, let me tell you how this whole business model actually works. So what we will do, we are going to find the local business owners and we are going to start ranking their videos on the top page of the Google, and that's how we are going to make money. Maybe you have seen this method, but I will be sharing with you some of the really crazy things that you are really gonna love. So make sure to watch this video full. So the step one is actually finding a niche where we can find a video on the first page of the Google. Now you might be thinking, why is that? So see, if we can find the videos on the first page of Google, that means there is a higher chance of the video coming on the page of the first page of the Google. But if there is a no video, that means that for that search result, Google is not going to put a video on the search result. There is 50% chance that the video will come on the first page of Google, and 50% the video will not come on the first page of the Google. But if we can find a video on the first page of Google, that means there is a surety that there is video on the first page of Google, and we can also come into these videos. Okay, so now we have figured out the first step, find a niche where we can find a video on the first page of Google. So when I just search for doctors in Santa Maria, I found a video on the first page. Okay, you can simply search for anything like plumbers in Santa Maria, and if you can find a video for that specific thing, then probably you are going to start working on the step 2. But the step 1 is finding a video. Okay, another thing over here, if you cannot find a video on the first page, you can also start ranking the video on the first page of YouTube. Because when I just searched on the YouTube dentist in San Diego, okay, so that means only this term will be searched by the people who live in San Diego and they want to go to dentist. Am I right? And these 320 people are really laser targeted because they live in San Diego and they are looking for a dentist. So that means if you can rank a video over here, the doctor with the dentist will start getting the patients from here. That means it's also again going to win. So that means you can simply rank a video either on the YouTube and also on the Google. So now we are done with the step 1 over here. The second step is actually finding a business owner and creating a video for them. So for that, let's say plumber, and we can simply just go to their website. But what I do recommend is go to these websites. Okay, why? Just because they are paying to Google, that means they have a separate budget. So place an offer something like this, then they are going to take that offer. So that's why we are going to go on the ads, because they know they are already spending in the digital marketing. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we can simply call this guy. And if you are not familiar with calling someone, you can also find like the in the bottom or maybe in the about section their email address, or maybe you can contact them on Facebook, etc, etc. But if you want instant access, you can do them a single call. Okay, so after you are going to call them, you can simply tell them, hey, I can help you to get a video on the top page of the Google, and I will be charging like $300. Okay, one time for that. So he will be agreed, 90% will be agreed, because they know that they will start getting a ton of traffic on the first page of the Google, and the cost will be recovered. Okay, so that's how we are going to simply just persuade them to get ready to pay us. Okay, so now it's the time that we are going to create, it's the step 3, that we are going to collect details of this guy so that we can create a video for him. So what we are going to do, we are going to put 2-3 things, for example, like open 24 into hours, and their phone number, and also their address as well. These are the only 3 things that we are going to put on in the video. Now there are 2 ways that with which you can easily create video. So one way to create the videos is using FlixPress. Basically you can create the videos with FlixPress, but it's a paid software over here, because you cannot have the commercial rights of the video for free. So if you can pay, then you can simply just take this software. But if you don't want to pay, then you can simply just create 3 slides, one with the address of this guy, one with the phone number of this guy, and one with something like 24 hours, etc, etc. And all you need to do, just record your screen and can start speaking like their address, their phone number, and the 24/7. That's all you need to do. And if you want to do that, you can simply use a software called OBS. It's 100% free, and you can really get a high quality video by just downloading this. You can just record the screen, and that's all you can actually do to create a video, to record a video. So we are also done with the fourth step of creating the video, and it's now the time to start ranking the video on the top page of the Google. So for that, although this is going to be very easy, you can simply just put in the tags like plumber in Santa Maria, name of that guy, name of this guy, company, and also their phone number, and that's all you need to do, and you will be started ranking on the first page of Google. But if for any reason you are not going to rank on the YouTube, you will be able to rank without doing anything by just putting in the tags, titles, and just repeat this like 2-3 times in the description. So that's all you need to do. But if in some case you are not going to rank, just hire someone on the Fiverr to do the social bookmarking, okay? And I do believe that don't just get in scam with any of these guys. Although what you can actually do, you can find a trusted guy, a trusted agency even, that is going to do the bookmark for you, okay? So if they are going to do the bookmark, then your video will start coming on the top page of Google, and also it is going to all stay on the top page of the YouTube. So thereafter comes the sixth step, and the sixth step is actually just charging them $300 one time. Although I am not satisfied with one time, because what I do believe that you can simply start charging them like if you are going to charge $300 one time, thereafter you can start charging them $200 for keeping the video on the first page. And what I do believe, although your video is not going to go anywhere, but what you can actually do, you can start charging them like $200, $100 for keeping them on the first page, and every single month you can pay some money to someone to do more social bookmarking, so it will stay on the top, okay? So that's how you will be able to make money while sleeping. Because let's say you are going to get 10 business owners and you are going to charge $100 as retaining their video on the top page, because if they have a video on the top page for lifetime, or maybe for a year or two, and you are going to charge $100 every month, probably they are also going to make money. So why you shouldn't? There is nothing wrong with that. It's a business model, okay? So now you can simply just start charging them, and if you have 10 guys paying you $100 a month, you are having $1,000 without doing anything, and you are making that much money while sleeping. Just think about it. You just have to do the stuff once, and every single month you can simply order a gig of something like doing the social bookmarking, and you can also hire a trusted agency by finding it on Google. That's what you can do. But now how you can actually go from $4,000 a month to $6,000? So if you want to charge more, you can simply start building the funnels for them, so that they can get their customer to pay them more money. And also what you can actually do, you can start running the Facebook ads for them, which is going to be another powerful stuff for you, because that is going to be like you can charge them $1,000 per month for running their Facebook ad. And you don't have to do this. You can find a really good guy on the Fiverr, or maybe from somewhere you can hire an agency to do this stuff for you, and you can simply just keep the 50% and can pay them the 50%, because that is going to be the complete passive income for you. Just take the work from these guys and just order it to someone else. You can also do the email marketing for them and follow up with their guys, and also you can do the SMS marketing with active campaign. So when you are going to do all these things, you can easily go from like charging them $100 to $1,000. And let's say you are going to have 10 clients, and each one is paying you $100, you are getting $1,000 per month recurring. And let's say only 2 of them are going to be agree for running Facebook ads for them. You are going to charge them $1,000. That's an extra $2,000 every single month, and you can easily go from $4,000 to $6,000. And you can just simply start setting them upsell services to help them to grow their business, and that's how you will be easily able to go from $4,000 to $6,000. So I do believe that this video has really helped you to make money with Google, and you can make $4,000 or even more if you are going to use this method. Make sure to subscribe this channel for more make money online interesting videos coming up. very soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in another